Most people get this wrong when comparing MoneyLion and Dave. They focus only on the cash advance amount and completely ignore the features that actually affect their daily finances. Here's the truth, no one tells you. The better app isn't necessarily the one that offers the biggest advance. It's the one that fits your financial habits and needs. In this video, you'll learn the key differences between MoneyLion and Dave in 2026, including cash advances, fees, extra features, and which app is the better choice for different types of users. Let's get straight into it. Both MoneyLion and Dave are designed to help users access money before payday. They also offer banking-related features and financial tools. But they approach things differently. MoneyLion is more of an all-in-one financial platform. Along with cash advances, it offers features like credit-building options, banking services, investing tools, and personal finance resources. Dave focuses more heavily on helping users avoid overdraft fees and access smaller short-term cash advances in a simple and straightforward way. So which one gives you more money? The answer depends on your eligibility. Both apps use factors such as income history, account activity, and direct deposits to determine advance limits. Not everyone receives the same amount. But here's the problem. Many users assume they'll immediately qualify for the highest possible advance. In reality, limits often increase gradually as the platform learns more about your financial behavior. This is where most people fail. They compare maximum advertised amounts instead of looking at the full experience. For example, imagine Jake only wants occasional access to a small advance before payday. He may prefer Dave because of its simple approach. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's say Alex wants more than just cash advances. He wants banking tools, credit-building features, and access to additional financial products in one app. In that case, MoneyLion may offer more value. Another important factor is fees. While both platforms may offer standard options that cost little or nothing, expedited transfers can come with additional charges. If you frequently need instant access to funds, those costs can add up over time. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between them. First, ask yourself why you're downloading the app. If your goal is basic paycheck support and overdraft protection, Dave may be enough. If your goal is building a broader financial toolkit with additional services, MoneyLion could be the stronger option. Now here's the simplest decision framework. Choose Dave if you want simplicity. Choose MoneyLion if you want more financial features beyond cash advances. Neither app is perfect, and neither should replace an emergency fund or long-term financial planning. The key takeaway is simple. MoneyLion offers a wider range of financial tools, while Dave focuses on straightforward cash advance support. The better choice depends entirely on your financial goals. If you found this comparison helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews, and let me know in the comments which app you're considering and why.